Junior 4, let's start our lesson for today. Our lesson is lesson 5 and it's called Many Ways to Write. Let's go back to our memories and we talk in Junior 1 how to write in digits and how to write in letter. Remember when we start to learn the numbers, we take these two definitions and we say that digits means numbers, we write like a numbers, and the letters means like into words. And when we go up to Junior 2 and Junior 3, we learn that there is many ways to write the number. The first way, it's common way to write, it's called standard form. And it's like to write in digits. This is mean to write all the number in digits, and of course we learn how to use the comma, and the comma is very important to tell us we are in which period. This is ones, thousand, and millions. And the commas help me very much to understand and how to read the number. This is the first way. And the second way is word form. And we take it very good in Junior 3. Word form. How to make word form? It's just how we're going to write what you read. Let's start. We start from the first place, which is here. 2. 2 in which period? 2 in the million, right? So I say, I found comma, I write 2, I will write 2 million. Then we learned that when we read the number, we read 3 numbers together, like they are alone, without this and this. 300. We said before that the hundreds is like your grandma, she don't like to hear noises, so she writes the word 100 to keep the tens and the ones alone. And the tens and the ones are friends. So let's read them together. 65. And then I found what? I found the comma. The comma means say the family name. What is the family name here? It's thousand. And also we put the comma. Then I write the 3 numbers again. 100, 23. Super. Then now nothing new. Then we take something else in Junior 3. It's called expand. What if I write you this number? 23. We talked before that expand means take the numbers away and separate them from each other. What if I want you to cut this number into 2 parts? The first part going to be here, 20. And the second part going to be 3. And I told you the trick here is to write the value of each number. So when I try to write in the expand 4, it means like I'm telling you a secret, write the value. Okay? Expand 4. Let's write the value of each number. Here, 2. 2, what is the value of 2? It's 2 million. Plus, we collect the number together. Then what? This 3 in where? In the hundreds. So it's 300. 100 what? 100,000. Plus, this is in tens. Tens of what? Tens of thousand. So it's 60,000. Plus 5 in thousands. Plus 100. Plus 20. Plus 3. And these are the standard form, the word form, the expand form, and these are 3 ways not new for us. Now what is new for me? It's something called place value table or chart. Place value chart. If I wrote here a number like this, again there is another way. The other way here is to make a table, and inside this table I write the places. Again, I will divide this into 3 periods. Ones, thousands, and millions. And the ones contain of ones, tens, hundred, and the thousands here contain of ones, tens, and hundred, and the last one is the million. It's also contained of ones, tens, and hundred. And it's supposed to be there is another period which is the billion or the million, but we don't need it here. Let's see. The first number here in the million place, how I know this very quickly? I just make the periods. Ones, thousand, and the first place in the millions. So I put it where? In the first place in the million. 2. Then we know that there is period, 3 numbers. The first one ones, in the middle tens, the last one is hundred. So 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 2, 1. This is the way. What about the last way? Is the short word form. Now we getting tired from writing all the numbers by the word form. When I have a number contain a billion, I will write more than 3 lines. What if I cut this cut this form to make it shorter? So it's going to be a mix between the standard form and the short word form. So how I'm going to make it? I'm going to divide the number into periods. And to take the first period, which is here what? 2. 2 in which period? In the million. So I write 2 with digits and write beside it million, or I can write just M. Okay? Then take the second period, 567. This is all the numbers in the period of the thousand. So write it all of it, 567 of the thousand. And then the last period without any name, it's 221. Now let's start to answer the exercise of this list. Write the following numbers in word form. So now I have to define which form I want to answer. Here is word form. Remember, if we want the meaning of word, try with the names or with letters of the number. No numbers or no symbols. To write first, we have to follow the steps. What is the steps? Define the periods. The first period, once we don't say their name, and then thousand, and then here million. In the million, just 2. So I say what? 2. So W-O. And here I found comma. This means say the name of the number, which is say the name of the family, which is million. Then I also put comma. Then 400. There is no other number, and so it's 400. No other number, so I say the name of the period, which is thousand. And then comma. No hundreds, no tens, just 1, so I say 1. Let's answer the next one. Periods, separate the periods. Start from the middle. 5 million. Comma. 8 in the hundreds and 1. So 800. 1. 1 what? This is which period? The 7. So 801,000. Comma. 687. We can say 800. 1,000. Okay. Then 687. Stop. Let's go to the next periods, and here the million. The millions have here tens and ones. So let's read it together. 80. 80 what? 80 million. And here the thousand. No hundreds, just tens and ones. So 64 what? no tens or ones or hundreds, so this is the end of the number. Let's go to the next one. Again, separate the periods, and the answer and the steps are very important, Jennifer, so I can read easily. Here, million, tens and ones in the million, so I say 70, 5. 75 what? Million. Comma? 4 in the hundreds, 3 in the ones. 4 hundred. 3 what? Thousand. Comma? 3 in the hundred, 60 in the tens, and 1, so I say 3 hundred 60. Okay, let's go to the next one. Periods, ones, thousand, million, hundreds, and ones. So I read it as 100, 8 million, comma, 400, 70, 1. Then 3, 71 what? Thousand. Comma, 300. And no tens and ones. Let's continue the next one. Again, separate the periods. Here what? 600 what? Million. Then come, this is tens and 1, so it's going to be 50. No 100 here, so it's going to be 50. 8 what? Thousand. Then what? Nothing else, so I will put 0. The last one, separate the periods. Here is the period of the billion or million. The same, billion and million are the same. So I'm writing what? 2 billion or million, comma, 400 6 what? Million, comma, 500 1 what? Thousand, comma, 690. So this is the answer of this exercise. Let's move to the next one. Write the following numbers in explained form. This time you want the explained form. What the meaning of explained form? We said before, this is mean value. So write the value of each digit in the number. Let's define the periods again. What are the first periods? Ones, then thousand, then millions. Now the trick here is this is the 6 in the millions. The million in front of it, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means 6 zeros in front of the million. If you didn't remember how many zeros for the million, you can count how many numbers in front of the number. But of course we know that the tens have how many zeros? 0, Hundreds have how many zeros? 2 zeros. Thousands, 3,000, and million equal 6 zeros, and the billion equal 9 zeros. Okay? Let's go again. 6 here, I will write it as its value. 6 comma 3 zeros and 3 zeros. Then 5. 5 in the 100,000. 100 means 2 zeros and 3 zeros for the thousand. So I write here 5, 2 zeros for the hundreds, 3 zeros for the thousands. Then here 4 in the 10,000. So 10 how many zeros? 0 and 3 zeros for the thousand. So here 4, 0 and 3. 8 3 zeros. Then 4 here in the hundreds, it means 4 and 2 zeros. 2 and beside it just one digit, so it's 20. Then here 3. Okay? Let's go to the next one. Again with the periods. Ones, thousands, and million. 3 in the tens million, so 3 0 for the tens and 6 for the millions. 5 in the million, so 5 and 6 zeros. 900,000, so 9, 2 for the hundreds, 3 for the thousands. 1 in tens, 10 thousands. Here 2 thousands. Don't forget the number please. Then 400, then 50. What about this zero? This zero is nothing. So I don't write the value of nothing. Okay, this is from our time. 50 mean 50 and nothing beside. So zero, I don't write the value of the zero. Let's see here. Again, ones, thousands, millions. Okay, 600 million. Then 80 million. Then 7 million. Then 500,000. Then 10,000. And here 0 is said 0 is nothing. I don't write it. 200 and nothing is 30. Again here. Ones, thousands, million, and billion. 8 billion mean how many zeros? 9 zeros. And then 400 million. And then 30 million. And then 5 million. 0 is nothing. 80,000. 7,000. 120. And the 2 here without any zero, only 2. Let's continue. What is the first step? Is defining the values. Ones, thousands, millions. The first one, 100 million. Then 0 is nothing. Then 2 million. Then 400,000. Then 60,000. Then 8,000. Then 3,000. then 20, then 1. This one here, ones, thousands, million. 1 million. Then 0 is nothing. Then 40,000. Then 8,000. Then 432. Next one, 1,000 million. 500 million. 0 is nothing. 4 million. Then 0 is nothing, 0 is nothing, and we need 2,000. Then 700, and I don't write anything else. Next one here, 1,000 millions. 80 million. 100,000. He said, I will not write this, and both of this. Then 600, and then 70